Welcome back to my channel, Araceli Chan DIY, where you do it your damn self, because why pay more when you can make it for less? I am trying to kill so many birds with one stone. We're gonna be going on vacation in like a week and a half, and I want to make sure I have enough videos for you guys, you know, for when I'm gone, and that way you guys don't get bored and then like totally forget about me. So I'm doing a lot of filming of intros today. With that said, in today's video I'm gonna be making another upcycle and Dollar Tree DIY. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I would love to invite you to become part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, that's it. Let's get on to the DIY. Okay, so here's the first piece that I'm gonna upcycle, and I guess it's not so much an upcycle, but just adding a little bit, just adding something else to it. So I made this sign about a year ago, and I never sold it or hung it up, so I'm gonna use it now. I had different thoughts of doing a frame. I didn't really want to go through the trouble of actually cutting the wood and making a frame for it. I also thought about gluing Jenga pieces all the way around to create that frame, but I didn't have enough. I don't want to go to the store. Nautical rope fixes everything. Okay, so I need some branches, and I'm coming out to my backyard because I know we have a ton of branches. So I'll either pick from here or here. Just get some nice ones from in here. All right, so now that I have my branches, I'm gonna do a layer of this brilliant silver, and then after that I'll do a layer of this matte aqua. Alright, so this one is a total upcycle. This used to be a frame that was all together like this, and then it had the individual frame in the center. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about up in the link. So I went ahead and took it apart, and then since this was already glued together, I just flipped it over and glued some popsicle sticks or some giant craft sticks to the back so that it doesn't bend. Then I'm going to take one of these cemetery vases and very carefully, so that I don't burn myself again, today's video. If you did enjoy it, I would love if you gave me a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. Leave me any comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.